Budgeting and money management. Budgeting and money management are essential skills for maintaining control over your finances, achieving your financial goals, and ensuring long-term financial stability. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to budget and perform money management effectively. Set financial goals. Start by identifying your financial goals, both short-term, for example, monthly expenses, and long-term, for example, buying a home or retiring comfortably. This will provide a clear purpose for your budget. Track your income. List all sources of income, including your salary, freelance work, rental income, investment, dividends, and any other sources. Calculate your total monthly income. Calculate your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed, for example, rent, mortgage, utilities, insurance, and variable, for example, groceries, entertainment, dining out. Be thorough in identifying all your expenses. Create a budget. Based on your income and expenses, create a budget that allocates a specific amount for each spending category. Make sure your expenses do not exceed your income. Set spending limits. Establish spending limits for discretionary categories like entertainment and dining out to ensure you do not overspend in these areas. Track your spending. Keep a detailed record of your daily expenditures. You can use a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting apps to help you track expenses and ensure they align with your budget. Review and adjust. Periodically review your budget to see how well you are adhering to it. If you consistently overspend in a category, consider reallocating funds from other categories. Build an emergency fund. Set aside a portion of your income into an emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses to help you deal with unexpected financial challenges. Prioritize debt management. If you have outstanding debts, prioritize paying them down. Allocate extra funds to high-interest debts to reduce the interest burden. Save and invest. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments to work toward your long-term financial goals like retirement, home ownership, or education. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings, investment accounts, and debt payments to ensure you consistently meet your financial goals. Avoid impulse purchases. Think before making spontaneous purchases. Ask yourself if the item or experience aligns with your financial goals and budget. Seek financial education. Continue learning about personal finance. Read books, take courses, and stay informed about investment options, tax planning, and retirement planning. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Regularly evaluate your expenses to identify areas where you can cut costs. This could include canceling unused subscriptions or negotiating better deals on utilities. Plan for irregular expenses. Budget for irregular or annual expenses like car repairs, holidays, or insurance premiums by setting aside money each month in a sinking fund. Monitor your credit score. Regularly check your credit score and report. A good credit score can save you money on loans and insurance. Seek professional advice. If your financial situation is complex or you have specific financial goals, consider consulting with a financial advisor or planner for personalized guidance. Remember that budgeting and money management require discipline and consistency. It may take some time to adjust to your budget, but it is a valuable tool for achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Bat Kaleb Consulting.